On home improvement shows and in real estate listings, kitchen backsplashes are getting lots of attention. Keep watching to see how we pulled one off without breaking the bank. So last year, my husband and I finished up our renovation on a mid-century home. The renovation included a full gut rehab of a kitchen. We both really liked this photo on Pinterest, but we quickly discovered that the tile featured and anything like it was going to be way over budget. We weren't willing to give up though on finding something that we hadn't seen everywhere else. And we wanted something that was going to respect the mid-century modern vibe we were trying to maintain in the home. So here's what we chose. It's really a super inexpensive tile from Floor and Decor. It's in stock all the time. You could probably walk in there and get it today. But we had the tile installers set it on a 45-degree angle to provide the interesting pattern that you see here. Now, our tile installer probably hated this idea because we didn't realize how many cuts were going to be involved in this, but we really loved the overall result and it did not break the bank. For more design ideas and more home improvement ideas, keep following this Spotlight series and check out our Pinterest page and our boards where we will gather all of the ideas for these videos.